Hello, Accelerated Math 6-7 students. We are still working in Module 4, and this is Lesson 14. And Lesson 14 is called Writing and Evaluating Expressions Using Exponents. And I will show you on the iPad. So here we have today's notes. Let me get it so that it's visible and you can see it. The name of our lesson today, again, is Writing and Evaluating Expressions using Exponents. Today we will practice writing expressions that involve the use of exponents. What is the pattern that you see when increasing and decreasing the exponent's value? That's the question that I want you to be thinking about during today's lesson. Things to remember. Things to remember that are kind of important are we need to do a quick reminder of what it means to write a power in expanded form. And what we know about writing in a power in expanded form is that the larger number that is written is the base. The smaller number that is touching the base is the exponent, and the exponent tells us how many times to write the base multiplied by itself. So if we have 2 raised to the 5th power, like it says in write each power in expanded form, then we would write 2 to the 5th power equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Okay? And then the next one says 2 to the 4th power. And so again, we would do 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 to the 3rd power would look like 2 times 2 times 2. 2 to the 2nd power would look like 2 times 2. And then 2 to the 1st power looks like 2. And then 2 to the 0 power means that there are no 2's that you actually have to do, so the answer is always 1. Okay? And so what we have here is we kind of are seeing a pattern. Do you see the pattern that happened? We went 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 2 times 2 times 2, 2 times 2, 2, and 1. So what do you notice that you see each time we go from a large exponent down to a small exponent? How does it change? And if you can see it, it looks like we've lost one of our multiples of 2. So maybe instead of multiplying by 2 as we move down, we're actually, as we move down through the exponents, we're dividing by 2. Okay? What happened each time you wrote the power in expanded form? We took off one of the multiples of 2. Okay? So another thing that I want you to look at and see is we're going to do this little table. And it says power, and then it gives you it. Expanded form, it gives you it. Divided by the base and the new power. So for example, if we have 2 to the 5th, we see 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. We take that, we divide it by 2, and we know that 2 goes into 2 once, so that leaves us with 4 2's multiplied together, so that's how we got 2 to the power of 4. So then you take that power and put it into this box where I'm pointing, and you would fill in until you can see the pattern that you will see by dividing by the base. Okay? And so this is what we're going to be working with today in class. And so again, let's go back to our goal. Today we will practice writing expressions that involve the use of exponents. And this little exponent exercise was just to help you jog your memory of using exponents. What is the pattern that you see when increasing and decreasing an exponent's value? When you decrease it, you divide by the base, and when you increase it, you multiply by the base. And that's all that I have for you today. All right, I'll see you later. Bye.